Introducing our lightweight and mobile aluminium scaffolding, engineered for mobility, strength, and ease of assembly. Our durable towers cater to diverse industries, ensuring safety and efficiency in every project. Here's a quick guide to assembling our scaffolding that can reach up to 16 meters of tower height. Wheelbase setup. Begin by inserting the caster wheels into both ladder frames. Lock the wheels to ensure a stable base. Horizontal bracing. Connect horizontal braces across the bottom of the frames to form the first stable connection. Diagonal bracing for stability. Secure diagonal braces to ensure base rigidity and prevent sway. Trapdoor platform placement. Install the trapdoor platform for mid-level access. Use the built-in ladder frame to climb and shut the trapdoor before continuing. Adding second frame level. Place the second frame tier and lock it securely using the integrated safety pins. Mid to top diagonal bracing. Attach diagonal braces from the lower frame to the upper frame for enhanced vertical stability. Platform and guardrails. Position the fixed platform with safety rails. Add the final horizontal brace and install toe boards to secure the top working platform. Stabilizer installation. If the tower height exceeds twice the height of the base, stabilizers must be installed on all four corners. This ensures firm ground grip and critical safety during use. Dismantling. To dismantle, simply reverse the steps, safely removing each component from top to bottom. At Mac24 Metal Scaffolds, we offer a wide range of aluminium mobile scaffolding, built for safety, strength, and versatility. Single width with ladders. Scaffolding. Added ladder access for enhanced mobility and ease of use. Double width scaffolding, ideal for larger work areas and greater stability. Single width scaffolding, perfect for narrow spaces and quick access. Stairway scaffolding, designed for safe, multi-level access with built-in staircases. Ladder podium scaffolding, a compact solution for jobs that need height without compromise on safety. Step podium scaffolding, great for interior work, providing a stable and adjustable working height. And our folded scaffolding, easy to transport, quick to set up, and perfect for compact. Our mobile scaffolding system ensures fast setup, safety, and compliance with international standards. Trusted by professionals for every elevation challenge. Contact us today for bulk orders or custom configurations.